If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. Dre, where have you been? Life happened. You know life, you know that person? Me too, girl. Life be happening. Sometimes I be missing out some stuff. But I'm here now. G-Dragon, Taeyang, Power, Home Sweet Home. Boy. This is in France. This is that France event. Oh my god. I know the other artists there as well. But right now we're gonna be focusing on G-Dragon, Taeyang. Shout out G-Dragon, Taeyang. They always the best in my book, in my eyes. Let me just take a sip of this strawberry milk. And while I sip on the strawberry milk, you should check out my Patreon.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there.
All right. Yes, on Patreon, we finished the first season of Exo Kitty because y'all really like that, and I love commenting on it. And we've been watching Bloodhound, so be sure to check out the Patreon. You can subscribe. You could join for free, but subscribe for $1. Y'all already know. Well, without further ado, G-Dragon, Taeyang, Power, Home Sweet Home, and Good. But we're getting a whole concert. God damn. Oh, turn this up. Woo, bro, his outfits though. Yeah. What we got? We got the power. Yes. Oh, she got the Blackpink light stick too. Yeah. We got the power. The power. Listen, now I don't know why. There's been some people that have been giving their opinions about how they feel about the G-Dragon Power song. Like, I'm the producer. But obviously, I am a G-Dragon fan for a long time, and so are you if you're watching me. If maybe, I don't know. But I just want more. I think Power is just a taste, bro, of what we're about to get from this album. So, just a little taste of the power. Woo, the hair? Look at all the I was gonna say the Blackpink, no, Big Bang light sticks. Say that again. Yeah. I don't give a. They don't give a shit, GD. We don't give a shit what they say. You the best. Power, the power. Woo! Yeah. It's gonna be me. Oh, with the whole orchestra too. Woo! You show that power, sir. Yeah. World is yours. We having fun with this, bro. That would be me in the crowd. Woo! I don't give a. Yeah. Got that power. Ooh, that horn like aura. Okay, dancers. I love his hair. I think I saw clips of him with his hair with the hat off and it's just all teal. Got the power. He got that wand. He got that money. Not the. Let's go, GD. Whew. This shit got me hyped. I just woke up. This is the first thing I'm watching today. Girl, me too. Can I just say, I love this song. This is like the closest thing we can get to like a Big Bang song, I feel. And it's just the feeling of it as well. Woo, he did the quick change up. Home Sweet Home, y'all. G-Dragon Tank, no Daesung, unfortunately. He was probably busy. Ah, this is so dope. Got a little bow tie. That little like crescent, that sunflower. Woo! Big bang, bro. And here comes the sun, y'all. Here comes the sun. He is so extra. Damn! What the? He shining bright. Home sweet. Yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna rock out too hard because I want to watch it too, y'all. My bad. Oh, he's just out here glistening. Got the whole body out. Body yaddy. Okay, choreo. Is it include the slip up? I mean, it was part of the choreo. It's so good, y'all. Just being able to see them perform. What is that? Like a crop top jacket from Taeyang? Damn, GD. With the nails. What? Woo! Oh man, I've been like lit in here, bro. That would have me. I'd be jumping. I would have terrible fan cam footage. You said he left you back, but wow.
Paris, you ready?
Are we ready? Oh, it's good boy time. This is good boy time.
You ready to rock?
I'm ready to rock. I don't know why I said it like that. It sounded like Jack Black, but not at all. Bruh, put your hands in the air. How you feeling up there? It feel good. Where my VIPs at? Yo, comment if you're a VIP. Or you grew up around the era of Good Boy. Damn. I wonder if they knew they were going to be performing this still to this day. Oh my fucking God, bruh. Damn. I am a good boy. I even had like a hoodie. This is Good Boy. I think it's in Hawaii. I am a good. Hey, ladies. Hey, babies. Everybody. Hey. Sup? Bro, one of my favorite parts is Taeyang near the end. Like, you'll know when you're. Bro, the glasses too. He looks so good. Hey. Okay, Taeyang. Don't play. Was that a BTS light stick? Hey, everybody out here. I am a good boy, bitch. I'm sorry, I'm getting too hyped, bro. I am a good. Hey. Oh, with the footwork. Yeah, he blinged out, bro. I am a good. This part, bro. Yeah. Oh wait, it's not this part yet. It's the one where they go like this, like. I think it's after this chorus. I don't play. Here we go now. Hey. What you know about him? Hit it with that one. Bah. The swag, bro. I am a good. Hey. Turn it up. I am a. This part. Hey, that's when you get down. Hit that one more time. Hit one time. Bro, that jacket's crazy, bro. Woo! Hey! What? What? Tell me where they at? Put your hands in the air. How I feel it up there? Bro, I'm gonna sing this while I take a shower tonight. La 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 la. What you say? I said what you say? I said what you say? What you say? What you say? Whew. I am a good boy. He getting it. Okay, the hips don't lie. Got a little hill with body roll. Hey, here we go. Hey, okay, dap him up. I am a good. Holy manoli. What the hell did I say? Holy cannoli. That's what I meant. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. I put in the comments down below what you guys think of. I mean, you know why you watching this. To see my reaction, because of course I'm gonna be checking out G-Dragon Taeyang's whole performance. Guys, let me know. Also, in my Patreon, I do react to day songs like Interview with Big Bang. I should check out the CL and 21 one. I think it was just CL, and then the Twice one. There's a lot of day song videos that I missed out on. I'm more than willing to check out. I know 21 performed at the Gallo, right? If I'm not mistaken. But we're going to be checking that out live on Twitch, and you'll probably see that either on YouTube or on Patreon. So either way, subscribe to the YouTube, subscribe to the Patreon. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, everywhere you already know. And I can't believe it's set like this. This man right here. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that. That shit's short as hell. Anyways, see you till next time, everybody. Peace out. Bye-bye. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.